Alright, let's add reflections for bushes here and street lights. So right click and find the bush group. I duplicate the whole group and right click, convert to smart object. But because it is getting too heavy, so I have to rasterize it. Right click and rasterize layer, Control or Command T, right click, flip vertical, and bring it down. We have duplicated shadows, but I think it is nice, not bad. It's actually improve our shading. I think we need adjust the angle, Control or Command T, hold on the Control Shift or Command Shift and grab the left edge and bring it up. Okay. Control T, also for right side, Control Shift or Command Shift, and filter, blur gallery, tilt shift. I disable preview for now. Move it down, click here and readjust. You see we have almost straight but a bit angle, so slightly rotate it. Okay, and enable preview. I think outer corner is too far, so I resize it. Maybe move it up a bit. Okay, decrease the blurriness. That's fine. Okay, again I will generate noise for mask. Create a mask, filter, noise, add noise. It is too bright, but it's fine. Increase amount. Okay, filter, blur and Gaussian blur. 0.8, it is too much, maybe 0.5 pixel. Alright, and I set on the screen, decrease opacity, and it is fine. Now let's repeat for last section. Street lights, right click and street lights, duplicate the whole group, right click, convert to smart object, and because it is getting too heavy, I prefer to rasterize it. However, we could do reflection with lights, but I prefer to do that manually. Right click and rasterize, Control or Command T, right click, flip vertical. Don't worry about right side, I will move it up manually. I think better to separate right side. So press M to enable rectangular marquee tool. Select Shift Control or Shift Command J to wire cut. I select below layer and rearrange it. Control T, Control Shift and grab the left edge. You see, I'm trying to match these points. Okay. Filter, blur gallery, tilt. I will click somewhere on middle here and move it up and rotate it. The value, it is fine. Okay. Also this side, it is not too correct. So Control or Command T, Control Shift and move it down and change blending mode. Decrease opacity and repeat for last section. It is almost straight, so filter, blur gallery. It is far, so I just apply simple Gaussian blur. Something around 2 pixels or maybe 1.5. And decrease the opacity. We could set on screen or even on normal. It works fine. Just decrease opacity. Alright, we have done.